Let me be honest with you. If you are waiting to hit 1000 subscribers on YouTube to start earning, you are already losing it, because right now users with below 1000 subscribers are already making money on YouTube. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how. My name is Samuel Karia. I help people to grow on YouTube and make money online. If you are new here, just hit that subscription button. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 real ways of how to make money online, especially in YouTube, even though your audience is as small as possible. Number 1 is affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is usually referring someone to a certain business or a certain product. So when they buy, because you are the one who is promoting this particular business, you get some commission in return. Let's assume, for example, in this era, you've seen so many videos on YouTube when someone says that you click the link on their description to visit a certain website and maybe get a certain course or maybe get something. This is affiliate marketing. So suppose you have maybe a deal with maybe small businesses around you, whereby you can link your business to your viewers, or you can link businesses around your area to your viewers. This is affiliate marketing. Now, most of the platforms in this generation allow affiliate programs whereby people joining from your link result you earning some commission. Let's, for example, look at these particular betting sites. If you go maybe for a given betting site, those that you know, there's usually an icon written affiliate program. So the affiliate program is definitely that actually referring people to join into that business, and as a result of joining this particular business, these people definitely deposit money and you get some commission in return. So one way of making money online as a young creator is affiliate marketing. You have to look for this particular platform that offer affiliate marketing services. They don't charge you. You just sign up, and when you have an active account, from that active you can share your link to as many people as possible and you get some cash when they deposit, or maybe some platform even give you cash immediately after people joining, so you can earn as much money as possible. Let's say you are a creator with less than 1000 subscribers. You have 2000 subscribers and maybe your videos goes to around 1000 views. So in those 1000 views, you can refer to around 20 people. That is good cash for you to keep you moving. For affiliate marketing, you just don't need a big audience. You don't need as many subscribers as possible, but you just need the right and accurate audience. Number 2 is use of skills. Do you have that particular skill that you've learned? For example, graphic design, right? So you can create videos about this particular skill that you offer, so that your viewers, you may not know who your viewer is. You have to specifically showcase your skill. When people see your skill, they're likely to definitely buy from you. You can sell services to them. Let's say you are a person who do web and graphic design. So in these particular skills, people who are watching may be in need of a website. So they can just directly reach you out and you can sell this particular service to them. Let's say you are a photographer and you are a content creator. So you can just advertise this particular thing that you do through video, and you can reach as many customers as possible who definitely need your service, and in return they get some money. So if you have a skill, people will watch your content because you have shown them that you are capable of doing this particular thing. They can reach out to you directly, and this is actually what I do. I run a web and graphic design business known as MasterTech. We help businesses create logos, website, and professional design. As MasterTech Graphics, we don't just offer these particular services, but we teach them to help businesses grow and attain as many sales as. If you are serious about learning web and graphic design, reach out, because we are going to help you to turn these particular skills into income. 3, you can sell digital products, right? What are these digital products? These are things that you can create by yourself and you sell them online. For example, you can create logos and sell them to different companies online. You can create ebooks, sell them online. So selling digital products as a young creator can increase your chances of earning money online. There's no need for you to have a very big audience. As I said earlier, you just need to have the accurate audience, and these particular people will visit your sites and buy whatever you are selling to them. So if you create logos, you can customize that logo and sell to as many people as possible, and you earn some good money from it in return. So you can create one design or a product, but you can earn money from it as many times as possible. Suppose you have created a website, right? So if someone buys that particular website, you can actually create another replica of this particular website and sell to another person. You customize, and they also get whatever you had created. Remember, the process is the same, but the details are different. So you can just change details, and these particular people will have whatever you just created. So you can just create one thing at a single time, but you can sell it and earn money from it again and again and again. Another important thing, number 4, is small brand deals. You can earn small brands from nearby businesses. For example, advertising, let's say in hotels nearby you, because you have maybe a number of audience, you can reach out to them directly. You can earn small brands from them some money by advertising whatever they are offering. Let's say there is a retail store around, so you can create videos about it. You earn some money because you are promoting to increase saleship in that particular video. Small businesses in your neighborhood can help you to definitely earn money, because when you advertise for them products, you are increasing their chances of sales. So if you are solving a problem about bringing more customers, you are likely going to get hired from this particular video or this particular content, but yet you are not yet monetized in your socials. Last is posting everywhere, right? You have this particular skill that you have to post it to all social media platforms, because social media is a very good place to market your skills. You can share to as many people as possible. If you are in social media, it means that you reach to so many people as possible. If you want to know how many people you can reach out in a single video, go to the engagement of your videos or your pictures that you post in these particular socials. Go and see the number of people that you can reach in a single post. So if you do that, you are likely going to understand that for you to do a business physically and doing it online, it will be so easier for you to do this particular business online than physically. If you do it online, it reaches the number of people that you cannot reach to them one by one. You don't need a big audience to start creating money. You just need to start. So the earlier you start, the faster you begin to grow. Make sure you subscribe. See you in the next.